Now the next question, draw formulas for the first five members of each homologous series beginning with the following compounds. Now the first question is HCOOH and the naming is formic acid, okay, or methanoic acid. Now we need to write down the first five members of each homologous series beginning with this compound. Now this is the first member. Okay, this is the first member. Now for the second member, definitely I'm going to keep on adding the carbon atoms, right? What do you mean by homologous series? Homologous series is nothing but the phenomenon in which the compounds, they are having same functional group, but the carbon atom, it increases by CH2 group. Okay, every time you are going to keep on adding one CH2 group. Clear? Now here we have one carbon. So while writing the second member, I'm going to write down this as it is first. This is COOH. Then one more carbon attached to it. Okay. So this is the second member. And then I'm going to balance it with hydrogen. Then the third member, again write down COOH. Always write down. The trick is you first write down the functional group. Okay. Then you put one carbon and one more carbon and balance it with hydrogen. So this is how we are going to write down the structures. Right. Then total 5 we want. So this is the fourth one now. The fourth one is COOH. Then 1, 2, 3 and one more carbon. Okay. So every time we are going to add one carbon. Okay. Only one carbon, because in the third one there are total 3 carbon. In the fourth one there are 4 carbon, right? So this is the fourth member and I'm going to balance it with hydrogen. CH3, CH2 and this is CH2. Clear? And then coming to the fifth one, COOH. Okay, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And then balance it with hydrogen. So this is CH2, CH2 and CH2. Clear? So this is how we are going to write down the first till fifth member. Okay. The homologous series beginning with, we started with this HCOOH. Now let us quickly name it, each and every compound. The first one is, they have asked us to, okay, the naming, nothing they have asked, but we will still write down the IUPAC name. Now, all these compounds, they belong to the class carboxylic acid. So the naming will be, the first one is methanoic acid. Okay, the first one is methanoic acid. The second one is ethanoic acid. The third one is propanoic acid. The fourth one is butanoic acid. And then the last one is pentanoic acid. Clear? So this is how we are going to name and write down the homologous series. Similarly, we are going to proceed with now the second question, question number B. Okay. Now we have been given CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Now this is the first member. So every time I'm going to write down this group, okay, this group you write down as it is, and then after this carbon, keep on adding one carbon. So I will write down the second member is CH3, C double bond O. This will remain as it is. One carbon already was present. You add one more carbon. So this is the second member. Then CH3, C double bond O, C and C, add one more member. Okay, this is the third. Then fourth, okay, and then CH3 and one more carbon. Okay, remember, it is not necessary that the first member will always have only one carbon. Okay, because in case of ketone, it starts with minimum 3 carbon should be there, right? So it starts with the compound containing 3 carbon. So the 3 carbon containing compound is the first member in case of ketone. Okay. And then lastly, I'm going to balance it now. CH2, CH3. This is CH2, CH2, CH3. This is CH2, 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 CH3. Then again CH2. Here it is CH2, 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 and CH3. Let us quickly write down now the naming. The naming will be for all these are nothing but the examples of ketone. And for ketone, you are going to replace E from alkane with OIC. Sorry, you are going to replace E from alkane with ONE, alkanone. So which alkanone is this? Propanone. Okay, since 3 carbon, propanone. And then I can put the position as well. The position of C double bond O, this is 1 and this is 2. So it is propane 2-one. Okay. Then coming to the next one, total 4 carbon. So I'm going to write down butane. And then again on the second position, C double bond O. So butane 2-one. Then the next one is pentane 2-one. Clear? Then the next one is hexane 2-one. Then the last one is heptane and 2-one. I hope the concept is clear to you. Still, if you have any difficulty, any doubt, you can always write down in the comment box. Now proceeding ahead with the next one. Now the next one is HCH double bond CH2. Okay. Now if I again carefully look into, this is nothing but it belongs to double bond, that is alkene, right? It belongs to alkene. Okay. Now this is the first member. I mean, after this, we are going to write down total 5 members, right? So after this 5 members, we need to write down. So this is 2 carbon containing compound. So this one, I'm going to write down as it is every time. So I'm going to write down this as CH2 double bond CH, and instead of this hydrogen, I'm going to replace it with 1 carbon. Then again CH2 double bond CH, add 1 more carbon. Again CH2 double bond CH, add 1 more carbon. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 we are done. Now coming to the last one, the CH. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so this is the first one. This is second. Okay, so whatever is given in the question, after that you are going to keep on adding the carbon atom. Okay, so it depends upon the question. Over here we have been asked the total of 5 carbons. So sorry, we have been asked over here we have been asked the first 5 members beginning with the question which is given to us. Okay, so that will be the starting compound. Now here I am going to balance it with hydrogen. So this is CH3. This becomes a CH, okay. Here this is CH3, CH2, this is CH3, CH2, CH2, then CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH2. Clear? Quickly we will write down the naming. Now for alkene, the IUPAC name is alkene itself. Simply you are going to replace alkane, from alkane replace ANE by ENE. So this is ethene. The next one is propene. The next one is total 4 carbon. So this is butene, or you can simply put but1ene. Okay. The next one is pent1ene. And then the last one is hex1ene. Okay. I hope the concept is very clear to you. Still any difficulty, do not forget to write down in the comment box. Thank you.